In ZWCAD 2025, we have improved the efficiency of opening and viewing 3D models. They are very helpful for those who need to view complex drawings such as plant design drawings. Compared to ZWCAD 2024, the efficiency of opening 3D models has increased by 62.8% overall. The efficiency of browsing 3D models has also increased by 34.4% overall. It can smoothly perform operations such as pan, zoom, and 3D orbit. You will have a much better 3D viewing experience. ZWCAD also supports navigation modes to browse 3D models, such as 3D fly, 3D walk, and 3D swivel. With the improvement in viewing efficiency, you can have a faster and smoother viewing experience when using the navigation function. These enhancements can bring users a better viewing experience. Interested in them? Download ZWCAD 2025 and have a try.